when it's time to choose, to make a decision in life. This is for you. As an introduction to this topic, I will share my experience with you at journaling. Oh, another opportunity to invest in a soul-aligned program. In a program that is aligned with my soul's dreams and my purpose. How much is it? Okay. Another 6K investment. What? 8K with taxes. Whoa. However, this feels so aligned. It surely is expensive, but this is so aligned. I really would love to participate. Lower self. Excuse me, lady. Have you taken a look at your bank balance? Soul. Yeah. And so what? Lower self. There is 10K in your bank account. And this is an 8K investment. It's not the right time to invest, to use so much money in a program. No. This is not clever at all. This makes no sense. This is not wise. Don't do it. Don't you remember what happened last time when you used all your money in a training program, in a mastery program? Soul. Oh, that. Yeah. I remember that. Oh, how I loved that. That was a great experience. It was a great catalyst for my highest growth. And when it comes to that money, those tickets in my bank account, paper, that doesn't drive me. No. What I'm interested in is living my dream and my soul's highest purpose, and tuning into this program. Oh, this soul-aligned mastery program. I feel so expansive. And that means that this program is aligned with my highest dreams and my purpose. Oh, tuning into this. This is a full body yes from me. I'm attending this training. Let me make the investment right now. Where's my credit card? Oh, there it is. There it is. Let's see. Credit card number. Expiration date. CVC. Investment has been made. Yay. Lower self. Oh no. Here we go again. It's best to put the seat belt back on. Soul. I'm so excited about this, about what's ahead. Highest self. Yes, way to go. I'm so proud of you, dearest soul, for following your soul's growth, expansion, your soul's highest dreams and purpose. This has a positive impact that ripples way beyond just you. So, dearest one, when it's time to choose, to make a decision in life, your lower self may have some opinions. It might say, no, this is not clever, nor wise, nor logical to do now, to choose this. Also, your soul and your highest self have an opinion. What decision is a full body yes from your soul? What's that expansive soul yes decision? And what is that decision that is backed up by your highest self? What decision is for the highest good of humanity? Can you be that brave that you gamble on your soul's dreams, highest purpose, and for the highest good of humanity? If yes, hit that like button. Let me know in the comments or subscribe. And if you happen to have followed a soul yes in your life, if you want to share one of your experiences on this, when you followed a soul, yes, that expansive soul, yes, and something amazingly good happened as a result of that. If you want to share that positive impact, that positive experience following your soul gave you, or for the humanity, feel free to share your amazing experience in the comments by dropping a comment. You are soul truly loved.